Stamkos takes it against Barkov. Alexander Barkov wins it back. Keith Yandel to Jonathan Huberdeau, slings it across. Spinorama for Bennett, he scores! They're gonna wave it off.
There's no goal in the play. The goaltender was shoved into the crease, unable to play his position, no goal.
But you see how Vasilevsky gets turned to his side. I think that's where Kyle Raymond thinks that perhaps Hornquist or Bennett, when pushing him, force Vasilevsky to change his position, which would allow the puck to go in the net. This might tell us a better story. Yes, you see Bennett's stick. Bennett's stick pushes the toe of Andrei Vasilevsky. That is the right call.
And keep in mind, in any loose puck situation, that's the one thing you cannot do. You cannot push a goalie's glove or pad with your stick without possession of the puck. So no goal, shorthanded, Tampa scores!
Indirect play off the wall, stretches things out. Coleman gets free. And the backhand goes through the arm of Sergei Bobrovsky. And you talk about being stunned.
Barkov wins it to Huberdeau near boards. Pass off of the Tampa stick. Great box out by Barkov to keep the puck alive. Huberdeau to Barkov. He scores!
Good work here by Barkov to win the puck battle against Steven Stamkos and then allows for puck possession. The quick feed by Huberdeau, cross seam. Anytime pucks go across the box like that, awfully difficult for goaltenders to reset. And Barkov gets all of it.
Toronto plays it up the wall, glove by Savard to hold the zone, and cleared out by the Panthers. Verhaeghe up ahead with it. He has support joining. Barkov moving in. Barkov centers. Verhaeghe scores!
Is able to strike against his old team. Great feed there by Barkov, and you can see how open Verhaeghe was. Killorn was not able to get a stick on Verhaeghe. And pretty much that puck was put on a tee for him. He's able to step into it and put it in the right spot past Vasilevsky. Well, you don't want to put this Tampa Bay Lightning team on the power play with Stamkos and Kucherov back in the lineup. That's why I say for Florida, it's all about initiating, not retaliating, because they're going to get a lot of those looks.
Broken stick off the face-off, and it's Stamkos holding, feeding Hedman, late pass. They score! Kucherov!
Broken stick helps Kucherov regain that puck. Quick work. I mean, you don't have time as a defender to set up. Beautiful feed by Hedman. No look over to Kucherov. And because Forsling has no stick, not able to really get in the lane, and Kucherov makes no mistake putting that one home. Yeah, I don't know if Gudas got all of them, but I think he got enough of Cirelli. As you could see, he had him lined up. Unfortunate for Cirelli, he was able to sidestep the most of that hit.
Centering pass, and they score! It is Kucherov again, his second of the night.
Oh, just tremendous stuff. I mean, a missed opportunity a few moments ago for the Lightning, but good work in retrieving the puck. And the penalty had expired for the Florida Panthers. Kucherov finds some soft ice.
And this shift that started with an icing continues for the Lightning. Savard, hard around. Sergachev off the boards, cut off. Bennett starts Huberdeau into the zone. Huberdeau scores! 5-hole on Vasilevsky.
His stick gets hit. You see, here's a turnover, and Huberdeau is off to the races. Watch Savard. I think he hits the stick of Huberdeau. Oh, no. He just lost the puck, it looks to me. And that fooled Vasilevsky. I thought initially Savard whacked the stick of Huberdeau and it forced the puck into the net. I think Huberdeau in some ways mishandles that puck, but at the same time it fools Vasilevsky. And
clear back to neutral ice. Weegar to the middle, and a blind pass from Tippett couldn't connect. Ruda tried to feather it ahead, turns it over to Huberdeau. He moves in. Huberdeau protects, leaves it out in front. They score! Tippett gives the Panthers the lead.
He could have easily shot this puck from the outside if he wanted to, but he has the guts to take it inside, pay a price, find a better play. Yeah, he gets a bit of a fortunate bounce on this pass as it goes off the skate of Hedman. But you talk about creativity, and the will to want to get to the net. Huberdeau does that, and Tippett is the beneficiary.
Hedman to Kucherov. And back for Hedman. Opens up. Kucherov slap pass. Point scores! Faked out Bobrovsky, who couldn't come back across in time. And Brayden Point with a power play goal has tied the game at 4.
Bobrovsky thinks he's one-timing this puck because he's one-timed it several times earlier in the game.
Up the wall it comes. Weegar winds, fires, blocked. And McDonough looking to spring the break. It's Brayden Point! Scores!
Turnover, block, Point anticipates, takes off, and then the finish. Beautiful move, forehand, backhand, 5-hole. That is a goal scorer's goal. A guy that under pressure does not crumble. That is a fantastic move. Gets Bobrovsky to open up, and the Lightning grab a late lead here in the third.
How many clutch goals did he have in the postseason last year? He led the entire playoffs in goal scoring. It'll settle at the line. 5 seconds. Quick up. Bennett to Hornquist, and he put it wide in the final seconds. And the Tampa Bay Lightning start their title defense with a win in Game 1 over the Florida Panthers. A wild 5-4 final.
What a hockey game.